Two. Huh. Listen up, Ludwig Borga. I heard what you had to say yesterday about the children of the USA. And you know what? You don't get to talk smack about the children of the USA unless you bleed the red, white, and blue. The only person that gets to talk smack about American kids is me. And even though there was that brief period in the 90s where I agreed with everything you had to say, that's not important right now. So, you maggot, you puke, you get up for school right now. You're gonna stand up at attention. You're gonna go to school. You're gonna clean the latrine. You're gonna do all your homework. And then when you're done, you're gonna do 500 push-ups. And that's an